Hey, up here. Hey guys, it's AJ with HOGWORKZ, and today I'm going to be introducing you to our universal license plate holder. It comes in either chrome or black, and it has a really nice LED light strip right here, so it'll illuminate your license plate at night so that everybody can see it. These are going to be the tools that you're going to need for the install. We have a drill with a Phillips. We have our 4mm Allen wrench, our 2.5mm Allen wrench, 5/16 wrench. We have our 7mm wrench, 10mm socket, a knife, wire strippers, and our license plate. And we are going to jump over to Alex and have him show you guys how to install.
Okay, the first thing we'll want to do in the install is on the back side here, there's a 10mm nut. We'll want to remove that and then remove the plastic cover that's underneath there. So we'll go ahead and do that now. So this little plastic cover here, once you get the nut removed on the top, you go ahead and it's got this little tab on the bottom, so you can kind of pull up and slide out. All right, so with your 5/16 wrench and your Phillips bit, we're gonna go ahead and remove these two screws that are holding the current license plate bracket on. So once you remove your 3 screws on this bracket, this is gonna slide down, so you just kind of let it hang here for now. You can go ahead and pull out the current license plate bracket, and then our wire is gonna run through this hole here where your other 2 wires are for your license plate light. So with our 4mm Allen, we'll go ahead and remove these 2 screws. And then this outer cover we'll pull out, and then this light here we're just going to leave here for now. All right, so now that we have our license plate light here detached, we're going to go ahead and run our wire for the new one. It's going to go in the same hole here, and then through the fender. We give you a lot of wire with this because it is a universal plate. So this wire will be able to reach all the way up underneath your seat. If you had a different setup than this, if you didn't have this same factory plate mount here, so you got some options there. So go ahead and push it through, and then the plate is going to sit like that. We'll reinstall this, and then you can see you'll have some room there underneath for the wire to run. So now that we have this like this, we're going to reinstall our cap here. Just do it like that. Move the plate down a little. Back side, we'll go ahead and reattach our screws through here. Alright, so now you can go ahead and remount your factory license plate light. Well, go ahead and make sure that your gasket is tucked in nice so it sits flat on the fender, so everything gets sealed back up good. We're going to put our Phillips screws back in the mounting holes. And now we're going to go back on the underside. So now we'll want to run the wire through the mounting plate. And then we're going to slide all this back up to where it attaches. Okay. Make sure your wires are good, nothing's pinching. So now that we got the plate up there, we can go ahead and reinstall our nuts. So what we're going to do is tap into our license plate light wires, which is going to be this black and red here. Again, we do give you quite a bit of length of wire because it's a universal plate. So what I'm going to do now is just trim this excess wire off, and then I'll strip the ends, put some posi taps on there, and we're going to connect right into the factory license plate harness here.
All right, so now that we got our wires stripped, go ahead and tighten up the ends of them and add our posi tabs. All right, so now we're just gonna go red to red, black to black, over here. All right, so we got our posi tabs on. All right, go ahead and see, make sure it's working.
I got this.
All right, we got light. All right, so we got our wires all secured up underneath the fender here. We're gonna go ahead and put back on our little plastic cover here. And there's a little cutout in the side of it, and that's where you want the wires to run out through. And then we'll go ahead and put our nut back on it. And then we'll tighten it back up with our 10 mil. Now we're ready to install our license plate. Just go ahead and put it behind here, line it up with your holes, and we'll go ahead and put one of the screws in and a nut on the back side. And I like to just go ahead and get all the screws started first. Just get them started, and then once all the screws are in, you can go ahead and go around and tighten them down. All right, guys, so here we have it. We got our universal plate light installed. Everything works. We got it all wired up. So check them out, hogworks.com.